Once upon a time, in a colorful kingdom far, far away, there lived a cheerful baby girl named Lily. Lily had big, sparkling eyes that twinkled like stars, and rosy cheeks that made everyone who saw her feel warm and happy. She lived with her parents, King Rupert and Queen Amelia, in a grand castle surrounded by lush gardens filled with butterflies and singing birds. Lily was not just adored by her family, but by everyone in the kingdom. Whenever Lily giggled, it was as if 1,000 tiny bells rang, filling the air with laughter and joy. But what made her even more special was her big heart and her incredible love for animals. Every morning, she would crawl out into the garden to play with the puppies, kittens, and birds that waited eagerly for her. One day, as Lily was playing in the garden, she noticed a tiny bunny with a hurt paw. The bunny was trying to hop away, but it couldn't move fast enough without stubbing its paw. Lily's eyes widened with concern, and she gently crawled over to where the bunny sat. Queen Amelia, watching from the castle window, saw her little daughter extend her tiny hand towards the bunny. With a loving touch, Lily picked up the little creature and cuddled it in her arms. She cooed soothingly, and somehow, her gentle whispers made the bunny feel safe and loved. Her touch was so tender that even the wind softened to hear her words. Seeing Lily's care and kindness, the royal doctors quickly came with herbs and bandages to attend to the bunny's paw. Within no time, the bunny could hop again, thanks to Lily's kindness. The bunny twitched its nose and wiggled its ears, looking up at Lily with gratitude. From that day on, the bunny became Lily's best friend. It would follow her everywhere, and together they would explore the gardens, play with the other animals, and create endless adventures. The kingdom also celebrated Lily's small act of kindness, reminding everyone that love, no matter how small, can make a big difference in the world. And so, in the kingdom filled with love and laughter, Lily, the baby girl with a heart as big as the sky, continued to spread joy and kindness wherever her little feet wandered.